Hello guys, welcome back to Appendices Club. Today we're going to solve another tutorial named called WordPress Auto Exploit. So, in this compressive WordPress vulnerability scanner, an exploitation framework for like a authorized penetration testing, this tool automatically detects and exploit like multiple WordPress security vulnerabilities to help like security professionals to identify a patches of weakness as we would like to look here. So what are the main features we are going to get here? Like multi CVE support, like a 22 WordPress exploits is automatically is available, and mass scanning, like it can scan like multiple targets like simultaneously using like a threat pooling, and single target mode, like focus on individual WordPress installations, and automatic detections like identifies like vulnerable WordPress plugins and themes, and shell upload like a web shells for a post exploitation access and credential management also. It can create like admin accounts and captures like a word passwords also, and results like logging and save shells and credentials exploits results, and anti-detections like a randomized headers, a user agents, and request a patterns. And it can also supports like a proxy supports like a route a request through a proxies like for anonymity, and configurations like management like a persistent like settings in the java.config. Now we would like to try to look it out this one. So this is the exploit like Mephisto. So try to copy. So we would like to try to look it out here. We have approximately, you can look like here as a backdoor installations and admin enumerations, theme vulnerabilities, plugin vulnerabilities, insecure decentralizations, permission escalations, object injection. So we have approximately from 2021 to 2026 all major WordPress vulnerabilities. So we would like to try to copy this one. Try to come back here. Now try to clone the repository. You just type here as git clone and try to paste this repository. Mephisto. Now just type here as ls minus l. There is a requirement.txt, so you just type here as enable the virtual environment. So once you have enabled the virtual environment, now just type here as activate this. So now just type here as pip3 install minus r requirements.txt. That's all. So once you have installed this one, now just type it as ls minus l. Now just try to give a permission main.python. Now just type it as python 3 main.python minus hell. We just need to get we would like to try to first of all we would like to do like a little bit mask scan. So we just need to put like a mask scan, enter your list. Okay, we just need to get the first of all we would like to try to quit this. Okay, it's not going to be first of all we would like to try to check here. So we have got with the CVE list all the exploit. We would like to try to start. Okay, so sorry here, we would like to first of all try to look here, start a exploit a single scan. Now we would like to try to input the targeted things. Once again, I would like to try to look here. Now I would like to try here as a so I would like to try to target this targeted website, a quantum meta health. Okay, now I would like to try to look it out here. Then try to paste the targeted URL. That's it. Enter number of default threads instead. That's okay. Now it's going to be running all the CVs here, which is identified. You're going to be getting automatically here. Quantum Meta Health, no. 2025, uh, which is no. If that is identified, you're going to be get it rightly here. So once a request is failed here. We would like to try to look it out here. You're going to be getting out all the clearance here, all the 22 exploits. So in our case, how we would like to get a large use of a WordPress website. So in that case, you're going to be identifying this one, so you don't need to worry out. So you just need to study out all the exploits here. First of all, okay, so there is like WordPress plugin vulnerability, arbitrary file upload, authentication bypass, remote code execution, SQL injection, cross-site request forgery, privilege escalation, unauthenticated file upload, admin panel bypass, cross-site request forgeries, remote file inclusion, SQL injection. So all bug bounties in one solutions you're going to be getting out with this tool. No nonce is found. So there is like something else is going to be identified in this case. So 404. Okay, no worries. Uh, we have got it here. This one, okay, quite interesting. Now, we would like to try to look like here. Let's come back here. So I would like to utilize here as public www.com. So you just need to register and try to come back here like public. Okay, then you just try to search here. You have identified approximately like a 5000 URL. So we would like to try to download this. So it's going to be downloaded here as wordpress.txt. Now I would like to try to open the link in new tab. CD as a downloads list minus a word count list wordpress.txt. Here I have got like a 1000. Okay, so I would like to try to take at least less than 10 WordPress website. Okay, I just put like here as a mousepad wordpress.txt. I would like to try to take it here as let me just take I would like to try to take here approximately 25. Okay, nano. Okay, no worries. We would like to try to create here nano word list.txt. So I would like to try to take it here as a some other WordPress website pwd list minus a with this one. Try to copy list.txt. Okay, we would like to try to take it this one. Okay, now we just type here as clear. Now we would like to try to enter here. Now start a exploit must scan enter your list. Okay, you just need to get it the list. Just put here as 10. Now it's going to be running here. That was identified. Now if you try to get like any type of exploits, that automatically will displays here everything clearly. If it found, that's going to be utilized with the targeted exploit. That's it here. So you can bring all your own WordPress website and you can test it here. That's it. So you try it around, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling. Have a great day.